I didn't expect to fall in love with this little harbor, but the moment I arrived in Oceanside, something just felt different. The salty breeze, the colorful boats swaying gently, and the sound of the waves. It all feels like time slows down here. Most travelers rush past this spot on their way to San Diego or LA, but tucked along California's coastline. Oceanside Harbor hides a charm that's hard to find anywhere else. Today, I'm taking you with me to explore its calm waters, hidden corners, and that easygoing coastal vibe only locals seem to know about. The Oceanside Sea Center, a marine recreation and education business based in Oceanside Harbor, California, offers a variety of activities and services. The center, which combines Sea Star sport fishing and Chubasco sport fishing operations, aims to provide both recreational experiences, such as fishing, whale watching, and charters, and marine education and stewardship programming. If you think Oceanside is just another beach town, think again. You have the option to rent a boat for a single day or a limited number of hours, allowing you to enjoy a leisurely swim around the harbor. Art is also prominently displayed on both the walls and the walkways of this inspiring facility. Oceanside Harbor, California, offers a picturesque seaside escape with a beautiful marina, local seafood restaurants, and ocean adventures. Visitors can enjoy sport fishing, whale watching, kayaking, and paddleboarding, followed by a meal at Harbor Village. The harbor's golden sunsets are a must-see. If you are a fan of the ocean, this is absolutely your designated playground. The harbor in Oceanside is an absolutely stunning location to visit and relish in the breathtaking views of the ocean and the magnificent surrounding landscape. You can observe the birds actively playing and the seagulls melodiously singing their songs. You can join a sport fishing trip or a whale watching cruise with the Oceanside Sea Center, one of the best ways to see dolphins, whales, and even see lions up close. From harbor fish and chips to rockin' Baja lobster, everything here comes with a side of ocean view. Each shop here has its own charm, from surf boutiques and handmade jewelry to tiny spots selling beach art that capture the essence of Oceanside itself. It's quiet, it's genuine, and it's full of character. Boats are parked in the ocean and are utilized for fishing and recreational activities. The Lighthouse in Oceanside Harbor serves several purposes, mostly related to navigation and safety. Guiding boats and ships. The primary purpose of any lighthouse is to help vessels safely enter and exit the harbor, especially at night or in poor visibility like fog or storms. Its light acts as a visual reference point for captains. It signals where the harbor begins and warns of shallow areas, sandbars, or rocks near the coastline. Safety and orientation. Lighthouses also serve as a daytime landmark for both boaters and fishermen, helping them orient themselves along the coast. Also for cultural and scenic value. While not strictly functional, Lighthouses often become iconic symbols of a harbor or coastal town, great for photography, tourism, and storytelling. People are walking around the harbor, enjoying the sights and sounds. After all that adventure, you'll definitely want to refuel, and Oceanside Harbor Village has plenty of spots to grab a bite. There is no issue encountered when it comes to parking. Free and street parking. There's plenty of free street parking around the harbor on a first come, first served basis. Just watch signs and time limits. Free parking lots as well on a first come basis. For something more relaxed, rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore the calm harbor waters. It's the perfect spot for beginners and families. I'm just walking around the harbor today, and honestly, it feels like I've stepped into a little coastal dream. There's this calm energy here. Sailboats rocking in the breeze, sea lions lounging on the docks, and locals just soaking up the sun like it's an everyday thing. Here are some great restaurants around the Oceanside Harbor, where you can enjoy a meal with harbor views or just a short stroll from the waterfront. Harbor and waterfront dining. Oceanside Broiler, popular waterfront spot for fresh seafood and steaks with scenic harbor views and outdoor seating. Rockin' Baja Lobster, festive Mexican-inspired seafood and lobster dishes right on Harbor Drive. Lighthouse Oyster Bar and Grill, classic seafood fare and oysters with second-floor patio views of the harbor. Harbor Fish and Chips, casual and highly rated fish and chips with outdoor seating overlooking the water. Joe's Crab Shack, family-friendly seafood chain with a lively harborside location. Stratford at the harbor, great for breakfast or lunch with waterfront views and outdoor seating. People gather along the docks, couples stroll with ice cream, and the sound of the waves becomes almost like a lullaby. There's a calmness here that's rare, the kind that makes you forget about time completely. Locals and travelers come here just to watch the colors fade over the Pacific. It's one of those simple moments that reminds you why you travel. This is my favorite part of the day, when the light dances on the water and the world feels still. Oceanside Harbor doesn't need to be loud to be beautiful. It just is. The fish market is an ever-changing haven, where fishermen can comfortably share their enticing catch of the day with their dear friends and beloved family members. So whether you're chasing adventure, seafood, or just good vibes, Oceanside Harbor is the perfect SoCal getaway. If you're looking for a peaceful moment away from the crowds, this northern stretch is the perfect spot to just breathe, watch the sunset, and take it all in.
I've made my way to the northern part of Oceanside Harbor, and it feels like a whole different world up here. It's quieter, calmer, and you can really hear the sound of the water lapping against the boats. This side is where people come to slow down. You'll see paddleboarders gliding by, fishermen casting lines, and locals walking their dogs along the path. The air smells like salt and sunscreen, and the views stretch all the way out to the open ocean.
As the sun begins to dip behind the horizon, Oceanside Harbor transforms. The colors shift, gold melts into pink, pink fades into deep blue, and everything slows down just a little bit more. That wraps up my visit to Oceanside Harbor, a perfect mix of laid-back vibes, ocean adventures, and stunning coastal beauty. If you're ever in Southern California, this spot deserves a stop on your list. From the peaceful marina to the local seafood spots and golden sunsets, Oceanside Harbor truly captures the spirit of SoCal. I'll definitely be back, and you should see it for yourself. Oceanside Harbor isn't just about restaurants, it's about the views. The marina, the peaceful walks, and that classic Southern California coastal vibe. If you enjoyed this walk around the harbor, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And that's a look at Oceanside Harbor, the boats, the views, the coastal breeze, and the laid-back rhythm of life by the water. Whether you're here to walk, relax, or just take it all in, this harbor has its own kind of magic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey. Oceanside Harbor might be small, but it's packed with charm, scenery, and that classic beach town energy. Until next time, Oceanside.